change the following equation into vertex form and then figure out the p. P is 1 over 4a. We know for vertex form either x equals or y equals. Therefore, for a, we will divide it by 12 both sides. You will get the y minus 7 equals 1 over 12 times x minus 3 squared. Then I add a 7 both sides. I got the y equals 1 over 12 x minus 3 squared plus 7. We know a equals 1 over 12 and a p equals 1 over 4a. You will get 3. For b, you will get the x equals still divided by -1 both sides. You will get the negative y plus 5 squared equals x plus 7. Then subtract 7, move 7 the other side. You got negative y plus 5 squared minus 7 equal to x. And a equals -1, so p equals 1 over 4a. Do the absolute value, you will get 1 over 4. For say, in your mind, remember this is the pattern I need to get, either x equals or y equals. Therefore, you need to isolate the x or y on one side, minus 10 both sides. You will get the negative 2y equals x squared minus 4x plus 4. Then do completing square now. This is a completing square formula. So we get the x squared minus 4x plus something squared. That is negative 2 squared. Since on the same side you have to subtract negative 2 squared, then bring down this 4 over here. You will get, this is completing square, x minus 2 squared. This one will be 0, so you don't have to write down. Negative 2y equals x minus 2 squared. Then you divide it by negative 2 both sides. You will get the y equals negative 1 over 2 x minus 2 squared. So we got a equals negative 1/2. P equals 1 over 4a. Do the absolute value, that you get 1 over 2. For D, this time you need to isolate the x on one side, so minus 10 both sides. You will get negative 12x equals y squared plus 6y minus 6. Then we do completing square. Negative 12x equals y squared plus 6y. I need to add square. b over 2 squared, that's 3. Then you need to subtract 3 squared. Then minus 6. Bring this down. You will get negative 12x equals y plus 3 squared. Then work this out, you get negative 15. Then we need to get the x equals, therefore divide by negative 12 for every single term. Then you will get the x equals negative 1 over 12 y plus 3 squared plus 15 over 12. Therefore, your a equals negative 1 over 12. P equals absolute value of 1 over 4a. So you will get 3.